To my channel. Today I would typically be doing the best deals video for the following week at Walgreens. So next week the ad is it's not anything like I've seen before. I don't know how to put it into words. So the ad for next week is September 25th through October 1st, and what it looks like to me is that typically everything that we would buy is all in one single promotion, and it's a register reward promotion. So that means you would have to do them, do deals in separate transactions to get multiple deals at all, really. Now there's going to be a few other different things in here that you can include in, say, a spend deal. I'm also going to announce the P&G insert giveaway winner in this video as well. And let me know your thoughts down below and how we should all go forward this month, because it also looks like it's for the whole month. So I'm not quite sure how to proceed. So here is the top of the ad, and I've never really gone over the ad with you guys. So this is the top of the ad, or the beginning of the ad. Now this here, the VitaFusion, is a deal that's going on until October 22nd with the register reward. There is an update on the register reward. Mine, the $9 one that I got in this week's video, did not work, but at the other store that I went to, which is my more local store that they know me very well, said that they would just hit manufacturer coupon and that they would enter it in for me, because we did try it and it did not work. So that is one deal I will be doing. So here we go. We have the earn $5 in-store rewards, which means register rewards when you spend $20 or more on select personal care. Offer good through October 22nd, 2022 with my Walgreens. And it has hair care, razors, oral care. I'll show you more. Here is the snack of the week, and we will be getting a $1 off to coupon for this, so this is something to look out for. So here are the typical deals of the week. We have pistachios, we have the pop, we have cereal. We do have $1.99 Arm & Hammer, which might be like the only thing you want to get. We have the Scott, but the Scott is $5 all the time, so we might be getting a coupon. We have the deodorant, which is 2 for $13, so you would have to get 3 of them to spend $20 to get all the deodorant. We have hair care, razors, oral care, Olay body wash, all included in the deals of the week of spend 20, get back 5. Now, this right here alone would be fine, and I would get 3 of the Olay, use the digital coupon that we are supposed to be getting with this, which I do believe is a 5 off of 3, but you would have to use all, or you have to get all the same cents. That may be a problem with smaller stores because they only get in a couple of each cent. So that's not realistic. So we'll see what happens there. But this would all be done as one spend promotion, these items, which is typically okay. But when you scroll down, you have skincare, spend 20, get 5. Pantene, spend 15, or still spend 20, get 5. 3 for $15. The nice cashews are $2.99. I get these every time they're $2.99 because I love cashews. So the deals of the week again. We have the typical food, which a lot of times, like this coffee right here, this coffee went up like $3 at Walmart. It was $7.98 there, and now it's like $10.98 there. So definitely take a look at the food prices here, because a lot of times when they're on sale, they're very comparable to grocery store prices. So we're just going to kind of scroll past this stuff. I'm not really going to talk about it. So here we have the household section. Deals of the week again are at the top. Now in the ad and on Flip, neither one says these are on any type of a deal except they're a sale price. So we have these products here, Dawn Cascade, Febreze, or Mr. Clean, on sale for $5.49. And then we have Gain products here, 4 for $16, which isn't terrible, especially if we have digitals. That's another thing with this ad is that I do not see anywhere of what type of digitals we possibly are getting. It doesn't show it on Flip, really, and that's typically where on flip.com is where I typically look to see what digitals that we will be getting, and it doesn't show digitals. So this is just showing that it's $12.99, no store promotion or anything like that. Now this is buy one, get one 50% off. I still have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that I can use with if this is for not just the 4 count here, if it's for the 9 count, if that's buy one, get one 50% off, because it says Kleenex, Scott, and Cottonelle. So we have Finish, which there are Finish coupons, and there's a promotion on Fetch for Finish. When you spend a certain amount, you get like 3,500 points back. Now this is buy one, get one free. If there's a coupon with this, that would be great, because the last time these were buy one, get one free, there was a really good coupon with them. But those are the only things that the ad is showing for household deals. Now when you get down to personal care, it is all spend $20, get back $5 and register rewards. So none of these deals can be done as a curbside pickup. It doesn't show anything but buy one, get one 50% off for makeup for Maybelline, Revlon, CoverGirl, Almay, Neutrogena, L'Oreal, Sally Hansen. It shows nothing else with it. It's showing here that number 7 is buy one, get one 40% off, spend 20, get 5. Neutrogena again. Same thing with the Olay, buy one, get one 50% off, and the Cetaphil, buy one, get one 50% off. And we don't know, I am assuming that these are all part of one big promotion that is for the whole month. Rock, Aquaphor, Nivea, Eucerin, all the same thing. Now we get down here with personal care, hair care. I just don't know. I don't mean to be grim and not positive, because I typically am, but this is very disheartening and I'm not sure how to proceed for next month or even next week. So like you could do a few spend 20, get 5 and pair it with a spend booster if you have them, but you would have to do each one of these type of deals in separate transactions or you won't get the register reward. So I think I will be just doing 1 spend 20, get 5 spend booster next week, and that's probably it. Because even so, okay, so we have the Dove, that's part of it as well. And then you have the raw sugar, but even the Colgate is spend 20, get 5. That's unheard of. It really is. Now, the good thing about this promotion is typically when we have a promo and it's buy 3, get 5, and the diapers are included with the deal of the week in that promotion or in that scenario, you would have to get 3 of them, and that's $30. With this promotion, you only have to get 2 packs of diapers for $20. You will automatically get a $5 register reward. Now, with spend 20, get 5 in-store rewards, you can use Walgreens cash. So that is a good thing. But none of the feminine care seems to be included. And it seems that most of the vitamins and supplements are on a separate promotion as well. So let's look at who the winner is of 5 P&G inserts. Okay, so we have everything set to go. So I just hit start here and it's going to pick a random winner. And the winner is J. Stevens. I have never used Tide until I started couponing. I couldn't afford it. Now it's my favorite brand. And that's the winner. So what I need you to do, is to email me. My email is always listed in the description box. Send me your information, your address, and I can send these out absolutely tomorrow if I get your email today. So that is really all I have, guys. So that is all I really have for the video. I wish I had some deals and scenarios to give to you, but this is definitely going to be a challenge. But I'm going to do my best. I hope for some high value digitals, which that is one thing I really like about Walgreens, is that we get really good high value digital coupons. That is one thing I love about Walgreens. So hopefully we'll get something for Dove or oral care or something like that and make it a little bit easier, because this is going to be a challenge. And I'm not afraid of a challenge, but we're just going to have to look at it a little bit differently, and we will go from there. So guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to everyone that entered the giveaway. I will be having more giveaways in the future. So thank you so much. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.